You get that ball? What are you doing? You're totally coming after me. Hi. Oh, you're doing such a good job. Oh, there's your ball. You got it. Good job, buddy. You did it. Whoa, that's a far one. Are you gonna be able to get it? Can you get it? I know you can. I know, it's kind of fun. He's trying to get up on his knees. Here, I'll scoot it a little bit closer. There you go. You can do it. There you go. You're gonna get it. Look at you. Oh, grab the carpet. Yeah, you did it. Good job, buddy. That was far for you. Yay, Koa! Good boy. It's like stretching out his shirt. You got it. Yeah, buddy. Yay for Koa! Yahoo! Take a break.